Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save videos in CapCut PC, or in another word, how you can export your project in CapCut PC. So after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button in the top right corner. So appears the option like this, so you can change for the title of your project and select folder you want to place is your exported. You can change for the resolution, frame rate, and etc. And you can turn on the export audio. You can export the audio with format MP3 and etc. So just click export. Just wait, and you can open folder. So open your exported. So here's the exported. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.